In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device in Google Play Store. First, let's begin by turning on your Android device. You will see the screen light up, displaying the home screen. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and apps on your device. Ensure that the device is charged so you don't run into issues later. If it doesn't turn on, try holding down the power button for a few seconds. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the actions that follow. Once your device is on, the next step is to connect to the internet. Look for the Wi-Fi icon in the notification bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it to view available networks. Select your preferred network and enter the password if necessary. A stable internet connection allows your device to communicate with Google servers. This will ensure that your account settings sync properly, making the subsequent steps seamless. You will see a confirmation message once you are connected, which is reassuring. With your device connected to the internet, the next action is to open the Settings app. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It usually looks like a gear. Tapping on this icon takes you to a menu where you can adjust various system settings. Navigating to Settings is vital as this is where you can manage your accounts and other device configurations. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. This section will allow you to manage the accounts associated with your device. Tapping on it will take you to a list of accounts currently linked to your Android device. This step is important because it provides a clear overview of your accounts and helps you add a new one without any confusion. Next up, you will tap on the option that says Add Account. This is typically located at the bottom of the Accounts menu. By selecting this, you initiate the process of linking your Google account. You will see options for different types of accounts, and this is where you will start the process of adding your Google account. This step ensures that your device can access all the Google services you need. From there, tap on Google. This option will direct you to the sign-in page for your Google account. Here you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you enter the correct information. A successful sign-in is crucial because it connects your device to your Google Play Store, allowing you to download apps and access your purchases. After signing in with your Google account, the next step is to open the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on it will take you to a vast library of apps, games, and media. Opening the Play Store is essential because it's where you can explore new apps and manage your existing ones. Once the Play Store is open, you may see a prompt asking you to accept the terms of service. Take a moment to read through these terms and tap on the Accept button. Accepting the terms ensures that you are aware of the rules and guidelines while using the service. This step adds a layer of security to your account and helps prevent misunderstandings regarding usage. Now, your device is automatically added to your Google Play account. You won't need to do anything else. This means that all your apps and purchases are now accessible across your devices. You can feel confident knowing that your account is set up correctly and you can enjoy all the features of Google Play. Thank you for following along. Enjoy exploring new apps on your device.